and all that too. I thought you put together a really good program and brought some good questions out, for us to discuss. And it was really great. And I got to speak with everyone except Jerry and that too. So looking forward to when we have a chat. But I really enjoyed it. It was quite nice and cozy, not too many of us, and we could get around and talk and stuff. So I enjoyed it, and it's made me fire up to sell myself as a consultant. I've been pushing and trying to look after everyone else with what I'm doing, and now it's to put myself out there. And thank you too, because it's made me see that I need to push what I'm personally doing more than what my companies and organisations doing, which is what I am doing anyway. So
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you. That's awesome. Thank you.